Most songs are written about relationships and special events. And since one of the most special relationships we can have is with a dog, the world-renowned dog adventurer WooFDriver thought it was imperative there be songs celebrating dogs. So through many years of loving and living with dogs, he did what essentially had never been done before by writing and producing an entire library of music for dogs, about dogs, and even with dogs. You've never seen, or for that matter, heard anything like this.
Hello, Huskies, my best friends. It's time to take you to run again. 'Cause without it, you're loudly weeping. Restless scenes without you sleeping. Visions of hyper dogs without a purpose in their brain. Now that's a shame within the sound of howling. In your dreams it's like it's back and home, up in trails of endless snow, 'neath the halo as the moon glows. Your dog harness as tight as you tow. Then your eyes flash with a glimpse of nocturnal wildlife. They thrive at night and create your sounds of howling. And with infrared night vision he saw excited huskies as they roar. Huskies hauling without thinking. Huskies running with so much meaning. Huskies forging bonds few people would ever share. WooFDriver won't dare disturb the sound of happiness. Tears fill his eyes as they go. The forest is like their home. Hear these words, WooFDriver will teach you. Take the reins and this will reach you. His words like silent marching through the night are echoed in the minds of huskies. As the huskies get rowdy and play to the WooFDriver's love and ways. As their eyes flash, it's so warming. There's no words, it's just so charming. As the WooFDriver